Hey guys, this is Jack here, and this is part 2 of my iPad OS or iOS 4.2 beta demo. And today I'm going to show you a few things I missed in the first video because it was not very organized. I apologize for that. So as you can see here, I have multiple pages of apps. I have a lot of apps, so not that many. Some people I know have more apps than just, like 4 pages I have here. So if you have a lot of apps like me and you want to, say, put them in one folder, well, iOS 4.2 adds folders to the iPad. So it skips over iOS 4.1, which was only for iPhones and iPod touches. iOS 4.2 is the first platform with all 3 devices running the same version. So we're gonna let's see here. What's a good application to put in? We'll put in ABC News and NPR. So we're gonna put NPR and ABC News in one folder. You just drag it over the other icon. Just drag one icon over another, and you get your folder. So for example, if I want to put let's see here. You put in Editor's Choice, which is the NY Times app. I'll just drag it over into News, and it automatically names it for you based upon the category. So if you have something like productivity or business or finance, it will name that appropriately. So that is folders. Nothing out of the ordinary, exactly what you would expect given the iPhone version of folders. So the second one is something I noticed in settings, and is that in Notes, you used to have only one font you can use. Now you have 3 fonts. I'm sure that Apple eventually will let you use your own font and have some sort of font changer thing with it, some sort of floating menu or palette. But as for now, you can use 3 fonts: Chalkboard, Helvetica, and Marker Felt. I kind of prefer Marker Felt because it looks more realistic when you use Marker Felt. It looks like a pen. Chalkboard looks more, comic-y, like Comic Sans kind to me. Helvetica looks way too modern and, clean for notebook paper. So we're just going to select Helvetica, and we're going to go to the Notes application and just write some random notes. So I'm going to type in, let's see here. Okay, with the keyboard, I'm going to type in this. Horrible spelling. This is Helvetica, and as you can see, it's Helvetica. Now, something else you might have noticed is that I do have my volume up, but the speakers don't really play the little click noise for the keys that much, that loud. And I think that's another reason that Apple just wants to, not draw attention to the keyboard. It's not. Before it was kind of loud, and it was just you had muted to truly get a really quiet typing experience. Now it's just right. It's not too loud to bother other people, and not too not loud, not too quiet that you can't hear it. So that is Notes, and change it with the sound. Now the third thing I want to show you guys is in Safari. Let me just load up a random web page. Let's try NY Times. So my bookmarks. And okay, so we're in NY Times. We're reading, and that's all good. And we want to switch to another tab. Now, normally you would just get this little tab icon, but if you have multiple tabs, which I'm going to show you, then you will have a number. So if I'll go CNN. Now, as you can see, the number changed from, it was just an empty square. Now it's changed to 2. So that means now it's easier to keep track of how many tabs you have. If you have 5 tabs or 4 tabs or 9 tabs, which is the max, I believe, it's easier to tell. And the second thing I want to show you guys in Safari is the print. You can now print. So you can tap on a print option, and it brings up this menu. You can select your printer. It's not going to find my printer, and you can choose how many copies. Very simple, very easy. And that is print. So in the iPhone version of iOS 4.2 beta, there's also a search function, but I can't seem to find it here on the iPad version. I really can't find it. I looked everywhere, and it doesn't look like the iPad has it yet. So you can't use it to find stuff. For example, in Safari on the Mac and Windows, you can type in Control F or Command F, and you can find a specific keyword on the web page. You can't do that on the iPad as of yet. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this demo. Part 2 of the demo. I'll upload more videos whenever I see new features. And so far, iOS has been working great. I do want to show you one last feature before I go, and that is what is this? Oh, this is Unified Inbox. So for example, I have 3 email accounts: Gmail 1, 2, and personal Gmail. and I can have a unified inbox. I can have divided into categories, and also there's also thread messaging, but I don't want to show you guys my personal emails, but let's see if I can find a nice. Okay, this is a club meeting like email, and as you can see, it's threaded. There's two emails in that thread. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks guys for watching. And yeah, please subscribe to this channel and follow me on Twitter. I'm twitter.com/beautifulcode or @beautifulcode. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye guys.